Today we're discussing the problem of human scale and its factors into a government's ability to operate and meet its population's needs effectively. For further understanding, what we're looking at is the political order from contrasting viewpoints on government scale and its effectiveness. Now, Aristotle thought that government should be small and the scale should only be used for municipality-sized entities. On the other hand, Thomas Hobbes believes that the bigger the scale of the population that a government presides over, the better. Of course, when comparing political systems, there are several areas for comparison. As an article published in the American Journal of Political Science in 2014, it asked the question about the size of democracy and the economic costs of running the political system. So the question is, what's the optimal size for a political system? And the article points out that there's a trade-off between democratic and economic concerns. The study concluded that the cost of running the system may be reduced by increasing jurisdiction size. However, increasing jurisdiction size may also have costs. Welfare gains may be sacrificed because reducing the number of municipalities makes it more difficult to tailor public services to the local preference and offers citizens fewer tax service packages to choose from when deciding where to live. Gathered from a presentation presented by Dr. Livingstone of Liberty University, Hobbes contended that government kept the populace in order by providing power to the government, which would keep individuals from acting in a mob-like manner. Thus, the government controlled anarchy. The goal, according to the Hobbesian state, is civil association. The vision of the civil association is the formation of social orders. A danger of social orders, however, is that though these relationships occur, leadership can arise within the social orders, and that leadership becomes empowered to contradict what the central state government's thoughts are. If this happens, it can lead to anarchy as well. Therefore, if the civil entity gets out of hand, the sovereign government must step into the situation to quell whatever the particular issue is. Over the centuries, as government swayed towards republican states, this is where the issue that Aristotle proclaimed began to take shape, as the developing republics were becoming too large to control efficiently or effectively. The framers of the American Constitution, they knew this. And as many of our founding fathers had studied Aristotle and other forms of government from the past, Madison, as an example, understood that the federalism that the Constitution and the Bill of Rights influenced would have to be flexible to allow for the growth of this future nation. Forrest McDonald refers to this as the Hamiltonian view, which works for a society of varying races, religions, and political thoughts, just as the United States is. Therefore, by implementing various levels of government, this flexibility, as Hobbes foresaw, can and is a viable form of government with the proper representation. See my abstract below, and I look forward to your comments. Thanks.